didn't approve this, Angie.
I know, sir, but she insisted that she be the one that do the follow-up.
Tell me something. Who running the squad? You or her? What do you mean she insists?
Sir, I looked at it very practical.
Mhm.
And she's the one that knows the location. She's also the one that knows the channel that she parked.
She's also the one who literally bumped into her.
Sir, I know, but she was fully disguised.
You obviously haven't done your research on Miranda. Fully disguised? Unless Celine has changed her cologne, the soap she bathed with, her body language, her edges. That's what you call it, right? I never wanted to take that risk. Look.
So, Pops,
eh,
you're saying that we need to pull her from the operation then?
Celine doesn't go near Miranda again. Unless you found a way for her to identify as a man.
All right, sir. I understand. But look at page 2. That's my contingency.
Okay. Whisper, I understand. But we're going to have to change his appearance drastically. You know that.
You don't have to worry about that, sir. I'm sending him in as a blind man. And we have had success with that character.
I hear you. But I'm not sold on the Tonian part.
Pops, I know what you're thinking. She went in with Tony already. She had an accent and she looked weird and all of these things. So this time, we're changing it up. I'm sending her in as a waitress.
I hear you. But this function that you all attended the other day, and Tony and his lady was there. You have a guarantee that him never pick up that Tony and was even familiar to him?
I don't completely think he made her out, sir. Because he was so focused on me that I don't think he suspected anybody around me. Tony, however, glimpsed him very early and turned away real quick.
I hear you. But you understand my concerns and the risk.
I completely understand, Pops. I want you to know that I understand all of the risks that I'm taking. And I want you to know also that I have placed all the contingency in place if anything should go wrong.
Tell me something. How would you rate the success rate of this particular part of the operation so far, in terms of its execution and what it has yielded?
A 70-30%.
Who is 70 and who is 30?
The agency, of course.
Angie, you do know that in our business, 70% is a failing grade.
Sir, I understand that. But you did not build this agency on us being safe. You built this agency on us taking risks. Calculated risks.
Oh, I hear you. But let me hear now what your calculations are. Or is it working somewhere in the document? I don't see it.
Page 3.
I see you're fully prepared.
That's what I was taught to do. Be prepared.
So you sound like you're prepared for my departure.
Please stop saying that. I'm prepared for your continued guidance.
Okay. So let me guide you. This is a one-shot deal. We can't miss. Or there'll be nothing left to guide. or the agency will evaporate.
All right, Pops. This is my plan B/C. What if we got a team to search the incoming cruise ship?
What you just say? Angie, first you get me to release somebody from detention so you can use him as a decoy in your phone scamming operation.
Sir, in all fairness, that was Fatonian's plan.
Yeah, under your guidance. I don't done, you know. Then you get me. The man gets stabbed. We have to conceal that. On top of all of this, you get me in trouble with the detention center. You get me in trouble with the hospital. You get me in trouble with the Department of Corrections. Am I missing anything?
Oh, there was the health department.
Oh, thank you for the reminder. But now, you want to get me in a deep doodle with the Ministry of Tourism, the Shipping Association of Jamaica, and God knows who else.
What other reason could she have to be in Port Royal? Ditching trails?
I don't know. Maybe she like eat fish on a search to find the best place to eat bami with it. You have any concrete proof that you're meeting with anybody, much less Tony?
That is what this operation is about. That is what we're trying to find out, who she's meeting.
Okay. Plan A, workable. Plan B, yeah. But you're going to slash plan C.